All right. So I'm at another client's house, and he had a few things to do. A John Deere, well, two John Deeres. One's a lawn tractor, the other one was zero turn, and he had a Cub Cadet mower that the pull rope had come off of it, and it needed, he was having trouble getting it started in the first place. The other two, he just said they're running okay, but he wants a full, tune up and all that good stuff, and the blade's balanced. So I did that the other day. I came over here, replaced this pull string, cleaned the carburetor out a little bit, and it cranks right up. The zero turn, you can see I already have it up on a lift, and there's the John Deere down there. But with all these, I mean, they ran okay, but I just changed the oil, changed the fuel filter down there, the air filter, new spark plugs, and I'm about to take the blades off and sharpen them. And I did the same thing with those back with the John Deere back there. It's just waiting to get its blades sharpened and balanced also. So you can see, I like to put them up on a lift like that, and then I bring a little air compressor with an impact wrench, and they come off really quick. I can sharpen them and balance them real quick, put them right back on. So let's get started. All right. It's that easy. And you can see, yeah, the blades, I mean, they're really dull over here. So they definitely need a lot of sharpening. So let me take these off. Alright, there's the blades on this one. Let's go sharpen these jokers. Alright, so I brought my angle grinder with me. And I'm just going to go through and sharpen these down. Alright, you can see that sharpened it up pretty good. Just make sure you keep the same angle when you're going through. I'm going to do the same thing for each side on all these blades. Alright, they feel pretty good. They sure needed a lot of sharpening. These suckers are dull. I don't know if you can see that, but they're worn down pretty good. So when we're having to take a lot of metal off like that, I like to use my balancer here. Let me set this down. Can you see what I'm doing? So there's the balancer. Now this concrete is not going to be even. It's pretty even. I was kind of surprised. But you can see it's kind of, the bubble's kind of leaning towards this side on the marks. It's still in between the marks, but it's, so when you put this on there, taking that into account. Yes, favoring. And it's favoring this side, so we need to take some more off of this side. Let's see what this does. The width on this is almost too big for my balancer. Oh, there we go. That was I think that did it. So that's the balancer. You can see how it just sits on here. This is spring loaded, so it self-adjusts to whatever size of hole you got. They come in pretty handy. Alright, so I'm going to continue with the rest of the blades. Do the exact same thing. Alright, well I guess that was it. That is how I sharpen and balance blades out in the field out here. I just carry a little compressor, impact wrench, and an angle grinder. And the lift comes in handy. If I'm towing my trailer, I carry this lift with me. And remember, that's the one that I had put those bigger wheels on. Well, look at that. That plastic just cracked apart. So back to the drawing board. I'm going to find some heavier duty wheels to put on that. Well, I'm going to go off and finish the other riding mower. It's going to be more of the same. That one will be a little quicker. It's only 2 blades on it. But that's it. You just take them off. Make sure when you put them back on, you put them back on in the right direction. As usual, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and watch for the next video.